And you also have Turbo from Birmingham, UK. $17,000 from Turbo from Birmingham, UK. Hold it, darling. One thing not bad.
Yo, brother. Let's go with me. I know you love me.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Then me want hear me mother drink sorry.
Fast car.
Yeah.
So you know we have a big up Michael from London. And also
London.
And also Pablo as well too.
Michael and Pablo.
Pablo is from Canada.
Pablo from Canada.
Yeah, he purchased the one for Dolly.
Yeah.
I know Michael from London purchased the one for your mom.
Yeah, Michael from London. More strength, enough respect goes out to you. Yeah. Your full basket never empty.
Never empty.
I lift up my hat to you.
Yeah.
The respect just goes out. Did not stop from here.
Yeah.
May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. Right? Blessed love.
Just introduce yourself and let them know your name.
Oh, I'm Empress Nisha. You know, we gotta do the social distance thing.
Yeah.
So,
Alright.
So
I'm actually with
Kino.
Kino and the team.
Dream Team.
Dream Team.
We here purchased to Walker.
Right.
So you know, we saw our website online. So and this is us now in Mona.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can check her out online and find out all the equipment that she got for disability.
Or
so,
link me on IG, that's Empress Nisha Enterprise.
Yeah,
Or
so
you can call me at 609-431-7485. That's a WhatsApp.
Yeah.
And the local number is 876-846-3482. Thank you.
Yeah. So we're gonna take her to Trenchtown.
Yeah.
To have a look
My
in Trenchtown.
second time being in Trenchtown.
Yeah.
Bob Marley place.
Bob
Yeah,
Marley
Bob
place.
Marley place. Bob Marley place.
Yeah, so we're gonna give her that tour.
Yeah.
So she's gonna show her appreciation for us coming this far to purchase a walker. That's what they're selling in us. Oh, chef in the garden. Whoa! So you have to start order from outside.
Yeah. Wow, fruit out of front. I came down with fine boyfriend. Yeah, called D. Joe.
Hey Joe. Jokey. What you say? You see the wow chef shop?
Oh my, it slapped it away, man. I just get up from around the cottage there, Kino, man.
At this time, look at the time, Jokey. I saw late you asleep.
Oh, then if me in a jacuzzi bed, yes, yeah, a jacuzzi bed, man.
You sleeping late, man, so the bed have you tied down.
Yeah, Kino, I wake up very early this morning.
Yeah.
Get something to eat and then go back round, lay down, watching some television. I don't know when I knock out, man. Yeah.
Bed comfortable.
Yes, man. Right now, Kino, I can't complain, much less helicopter.
Jeez.
Right.
Can't complain, much less helicopter. That one the new. You the one the baby. I'm saying can't complain, much less helicopter.
Helicopter. Yeah, because the people are always complaining, you know.
Yeah.
Let me say not more helicopter.
So yeah, so you stop complaining, you only helicopter.
And why still have to big up my donuts them up top, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, right now, you guys make me feel so happy right now. Oh gosh, can't complain, man.
Yeah. Man say can't complain, only helicopter.
Yeah. Can't complain. You didn't tell him about my friend? Yeah, you know about it.
Yeah, you know about it,
okay. Yeah, so Kino, I was just telling Mr. Carr, the pretty shirt we see me on last night.
Yeah.
Carr gonna take around 3 pictures.
Yeah.
I know me have to make 3 different poses. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when him see all them a little more.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna see them all on. Ali never afraid bees bite him. The weird man shirt pretty.
Colors.
Color. Yeah. So what may I say? You know, this is when fast car bring the phone, I'm listening.
Yeah.
You know what my brethren I say? You can't tell nobody say you never live a foreign, you know. Then just imagine this, Kino. If I'm going out like this in Trenchtown, just imagine if I get a trip up here in the States, especially London.
London.
They would go there again. What's its name? London.
London.
Up there would go again, ain't it?
Anything.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna shake the queen and.
Wow.
Oh
my gosh.
In London.
England, pop down, you know?
Oh. So I go another wow chef.
Yes,
With that wow chef shop. Yes, I. So I go on.
two come on, you know.
Two are going to the war.
Go. No man, the kitchen, you know.
Fish are fried.
Yeah, man. Slice fish and look at some little scratch and tea, you know, look at the season. Red bone and green style, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, only for respect in above and below. You hear that? Yeah, man. Canada, America. Set it, yo, yeah.
New York.
Twice, you know?
Twice.
Yeah, man, it's like a fish, you know? I might play it. So I can do like a twice. Yeah, man, two slices, you know? Twice.
Two slices.
Yes, you know?
Oh.
Just throw that from them and you know? And then just sit down. Oh.
That's what the mouth open.
Yeah, man. Oh, that's the God bless one of them, look on the money. And the color one of them, you know. God bless one of them. Yeah. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Put that color, you know. Oh. Come on, God bless crack.
Look to the counter now.
Look through the counter. You can make your order from here.
Yeah.
Right here you make your order, you know?
Yeah, so we'll start getting the food from there.
Yeah. You don't stay inside the kitchen. Stay out here.
Yeah, right
Take your
there.
order from here. Yeah, see it. Alright, still away. They're right here.
Only for space. Oh, so far enough for water now.
Yeah, man, hold it for water.
That's much water for water now. Space.
Watch them look. Watch them look.
Don't clean now.
Banana go up on top, you know, because banana needs to boil, you know.
Okay, banana go on top.
Yeah, man, thing, you know. Put him on there.
Easy for boil.
Yeah, man, check. Whoa, watch him. Watch him. Yeah, man. Ready, you know, you see me, I say? Yes, so banana go up on top now. Yeah, man. Iron! Whoa!
No, potassium.
Yeah, potassium?
Potassium.
Oh, potassium. Yeah, man. Banana give a power, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see that?
One of our fire no man.
Yeah, man, so them see you now, you know? And them peel off, you see me as a people.
Yeah.
Some of them go up in the kitchen. And now, like a man a banana, just spend a little time, man. To peel the banana and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm so sure I'll start cooking, you know?
Restaurant so accomplished. Well, not your walk far now, boy.
Banana and peel. Come up one side and give me a wash off and show them, you know?
Whoa, chef.
Yeah, man.
Get the thing off and running, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I'm drinking some still.
One Sam's. This is.
Shisha.
Alright, mommy.
I can't see.
Yeah. How much you going at here? Thank you. Alright, mommy.
Yes, hello, sir.
How you doing?
Not too bad.
Too bad. Yeah.
Come back again. Tell us I'm going to come back again.
I'm telling me I come back again.
Yeah.
See, I'm shaking. So how's the prayers going?
Well, it's working, you know.
Yeah.
God, my trust in God.
Yeah.
And I know He will help me.
Definitely.
I know that He's there for us.
Definitely easier. We all praying for you. We got the donors them praying for you as well. We got everyone praying for you. You know, Ali I pray a lot as well too. You know, because the situation the other day touch a lot of people out there, you know. A lot of people come crying. Because they never really know say Ali that go through this much. And almost every day, you know, Ali outside there help outside, but the people them in Kingston and the mother go through a situation like this, you know. So it really touch a lot of people. So you have a donor reach out to you as well too. That really say you want a walker.
I thank you very much for that one.
Michael.
Yeah.
That one who donated for me.
Yeah, his name is Michael from London. From London. And this is Empress.
Well,
Empress, you know.
Empress Misha.
Misha.
My name is Karen.
Hi, Miss Kingston.
Yeah, they got that company. She's the one that purchased the walker from.
Right.
So she said she want to come and visit you herself.
And also donate a pack of Pampers.
She also, yeah, she bring a
I need
pack.
some Pampers as well.
So she also bring a pack of Pampers. Yeah, so really thank you a lot for that, Empress.
Thank
Misha.
you for having me.
Yeah, making the effort. Yeah, so the prayer is definitely working.
Yes,
Yeah, definitely. And I also got some donation for you as well too. Yeah.
none.
Nice.
Put no bank
Hold it, you know?
I'm good to all of them in here.
Yeah.
And then come out to the big man and big woman.
Well, I understand. I understand you always have to break down my cars, boy. Right now you make me feel that way again, Ali. You can imagine, Empress can always get everywhere else for the people then. And so you can imagine the pain you might feel inside. On a daily basis, I know some always have to try make we have a little laughter and the viewers them have a laughter as well and they go through this situation, you know. It's really, really sad. Hold it, always go on with the faith, everything will go alright. Everything will go alright, definitely. Miss Dasa, so we got some donation for you as well. And this is from Englishman Dean. Yeah, you know him as well. He's the eldest son.
Ellis, yeah, Dean.
He always buy a wipe of plant from you.
Yeah.
So him say must tell us the plant, man. You know, miles are buying off your plant and them.
Just wrong.
You know how we do?
Yeah, he used to buy plant on Sunday morning.
Yeah, it's the same one. The Englishman Dean from the UK.
Yeah.
$9,000. Ali counted for $9,000 from Englishman Dean. That's Arthur and his son.
Yes, thank you.
Dean, just go and big up yourself for them now.
Thank you, Dean.
See what I say?
Remember Sunday morning time you come by your calendar or your plant.
Yeah.
Remember, man.
Yeah.
Remember.
Over Brooklyn.
Yeah, him same one. Him same one. I also have Miss Brenda from the US, $4,000.
Miss Brenda always a look out for you.
Yeah, Miss Brenda always a look out.
Miss Brenda, just go and big up yourself and may your food basket never empty. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. My mother teach me that and my grandma. So I'm putting out the same way.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Brenda.
I also have Max from France, $14,000 from Max from France.
Max from France.
Yeah. Blessed Lord.
Thanks.
One team.
Thanks.
Mother said thank you and you're welcome. May the Lord bless you too and keep you. And may the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May your food basket never empty. More blessings.
And you also have Turbo from Birmingham, UK, $17,000 from Turbo from Birmingham, UK. Hold it, Ali. One's not buying that.
Yo, brother. Let's go with me. I'm going to go for you. I don't know, so she get the help and she must come back to the Lord. As she have life, there is nothing. She have Father God in her heart. Nothing can stop it. Hear that, brother? That's what it matters. That's what help me come.
You just keep holding faith,
That
Ali,
break
and
down
keep.
between Ali.
Yeah.
So that's what it.
I have Ali, you have to be strong for mommy, you know?
Be strong, bro.
Thank you, Jesus.
Give me the mommy and bread.
I know you're there for me, Daddy God. I know you're there for me. I know you're not meant to go through that way.
Stop, God.
Oh, you're going to help me, Father God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. I call upon you every day, every minute, every hour. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
No, mother. But do anything for my mother. This is what they make it. I'm not my farm. I'm a shop for my mother. I do that. No,
man, you see it, man, brother. See it, brother, you see it, man.
But at least you have your mother can shed tears, and many not have nobody to shed tears from. So all the time, that's what I'm
Yeah, man. Cause boy, you make my eye full up of water, man. Nah, right.
The big tear now gone.
Tear you for grand situation, I tell you.
Last time you out, they say that I feel a water too.
My great car don't pass.
Yeah, my great car down.
Still strong.
Still strong, Ali. Can I hold this now?
Yeah, man.
Ali, count the money from Turbo.
From Turbo.
Yeah. 17,000.
17,000 from Turbo. Turbo, more blessings. May your food basket never empty. From long as I have life, I will always be around my mother. Okay? I don't care what the circumstance it may be, I will always be there for my mother.
And we the dream team will definitely
Also the dream team too.
always be there.
God bless you again. May your food basket never empty. $17,000. More blessing. You will get your sanitizer.
You also have $10,000 from Pablo from Canada. $10,000 from Pablo from Canada.
Pablo from Canada, more blessings. May your food basket never empty. I'm praying for all the donors. My mom can tell you, I have a Bible on my dresser. I read every morning and drink my water. So more blessing to you guys out there. And continue to do the work because we're doing our work too.
Yeah.
It's not for the money, it's from the bottom of our heart.
Yeah.
A friend in need is a friend indeed. So, Pablo from Canada, may your food basket never empty. May the Lord continue to guide and protect you through the pandemic. God bless.
And Ali, and this is for you as well. This is for you from Pablo, also from Canada. This is for you, for yourself. $5,000.
Pablo, again, thank you. May your food basket never empty. We'll big up all of the donors, them will support the thing.
Thank you all.
Yeah.
Thank you all for what you are doing for me. May God ever continue to keep and guide you, strengthen you day by day as you go along your journey. Thanks again. Thanks.
God bless you.
Yes.
Thanks a lot. We'll definitely continue to reach out and the donor them, but definitely continue to get the support.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely. I will do that. Ali, go on with the fear for me, you know. You have to stay strong, yeah.
Kino is that thing, it's like we're very emotional when we talk, you know.
Yeah, I know that.
You see me tell my family, say, if me rich, nobody not for worry. If me rich, but me I try my best.
No, yeah.
Me I try my best. And there's nothing too good for give my family members them. None of them. Niece, never, nothing good to me give them. When I get my pay, I come in and make sure my mother have what she have. If she call me out there, I'm out there. She want chicken, she want anything. I get that for her. Right? So that's why you say, Kino, each one teach one. And she want this walk and it did come to her. No matter what the circumstance may be, I'm gonna always be here for my mother. Right? And this donation where she get, she gonna put it to good use. What's for buy her medication and stuff like that. And she always sleep in her pampers. Give thanks to Empress who come donate this first set of pampers to her. Likewise, the people from overseas buy her pampers likewise, our family members. And there's so much things to say. I want to guide and I want Father God to guide and protect all of the donors them out there. And each night where I'm coming, I always pray for the donors out there. I always pray for the donors out there. They say you see a man's face but you don't see his heart.
You don't know what's inside.
I want a lot of help, but I want to help those out there, and I bring forward to my mother to the table to get the help. Right? So I'm pleading to you guys out there again. May the Lord bless you and continue bless you. May your food basket never empty. My mother always tell me that nothing beat prayer. Nothing beat prayer. Psalms a day keep the devil away.
So true,
God
brother.
bless you again.
So true. Prayers out there until a touching moment.
Smell fresh.
Alright then, mommy. I'll see you again here. We're always seeing. We're there from here to support, yeah? Definitely. Ali? Let's go on with the fear, man. So, you want
exercise.
Yeah.
So all we give thanks to Michael from London.
Yeah, give thanks to Michael from London.
For this walker.
Who purchased this walker for my mother. And I said, God bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. Okay, and may your food basket never be empty. I want all the donors them out there to be safe. Likewise, we taken care of out here. Yeah. So my hats goes up to all the donors them out there.
Yeah.
Who do this for my mother.
Yeah, man. True. Blessings and give thanks, man, to all the donors them.
Blessings again to all the donors them again. And the donors them can see with me, I'm a very emotional person when it comes on to my mom and my kids them. I'm a very emotional person.
Yeah.
So anything we have do, I will do it for my mother. Alright?
Definitely. Alright, that's it.
So, put the seat.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.